Okay, finally, Kimi K2.7 is officially launched, and in this video, I will show you how you can use it for free in Playground and inside your Visual Studio Code as well. Before that, let's explore its improvement and its benchmark. Main improvement will be Kimi K2.7 Code mainly improve reasoning efficiency, which reduce thinking token used by approximate 30% compared to its previous model, which is Kimi K2.6, which is the huge things. If you use the paid model, then your nearly 30% token will be saved during the thinking time. If you confuse about thinking steps, then I'll make you clear in one line. When we have provided an input, it will process and it will give us the output. During this processing time, it will reduce approximate 30% of token compared to the previous model. Not only this, see the benchmark. Kimi K2.7 code was evaluated against K2.6 on the combination of internal and external benchmark covering two dimensions, coding capability and agentic task execution. Mainly, Kimi K model are focused on coding and agentic benchmark. If you can see its benchmark, then I am scared. Its improvement. It will improve nearly 21.8% on coding benchmark, 31.5% on MSL benchmark. Dark Brew is the latest model and compare it with the remaining other model. You have thinking Claude and ChatGPT is the powerful model. Chinese open source model Kimi K are competing with this powerful model. It will competing on each and every benchmark. If you can see the coding index, it will scary. And didn't forget, this is the open source platform. This is the agentic benchmark. I'm very excited to use it, man. After that, I'll show you the two way to use this Kimi K model. Go to the official Moonshot AI from where you can try it. Here it will mention each and everything. If you want to explore more about it before using, I'll provide you the each and every link that I have used in this video. You can find all this is in the video description. Okay, I'll provide this playground link is in video description as well. From the playground.ai.cloudflare.com you can try it. For now, there will be the only one platform provide Kimi K 2.7 for free, that will be the Cloudflare. If you want to use in web, then go to the AI playground. I'll provide you the playground link is in the video description. Hi, how can I help you today? This is the Kimi K 2.7 model. You can see. Then without wasting time, I'll show you the main things. You can use it inside your Visual Studio Code. This is the core things about today's video. Okay, what you need to do? First, go to the Cloudflare official website, and you need to create your account here in Cloudflare to use its API key. I'm going to use Google to create account in Cloudflare. You can choose anyone that you are comfortable. Let's select for personal use, developer engineer. How many people are you working with? Myself. Okay, let's skip this. Now we are landed here on Cloudflare dashboard. Go to this AI section and Worker AI. From here we are going to create the API. Go to the REST API section. Then we need to create the API here. Wait a minute. Before that, open your editor where I am going to use open code inside my Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'll start my open code. If you have not installed open code yet, then install it. I have instructed you many times to install open code. There will be the only one command line to install open code. Okay, then first copy your account ID here. Copy it and go to your open code, type /connect, then search for Cloudflare. You can find this Cloudflare Workers AI. Select it. First, you need to provide your Cloudflare account ID. Didn't share your account ID and API key with anyone. I will delete my account before publishing video. Press enter. It will ask for the API key. Create Workers API key. Create API key. Copy it from here and paste it here and press enter. Then you are ready to use Kimi K 2.7. Let's select it and I'm going to ask some question to test it is working or not. See, hello, how can I help you today? Every time I'll mention first response take time. Let's ask another question. Then you can see how much reduce its response time. Which model is it? See, it will respond in nearly 9.1 minute. In peak time, it will takes little bit more time. If you can use it in normal time, then it will respond too much faster. I'm not sure what you are referring to. Oh, there will be the spelling mistakes. That's why it will also takes more time to think. Let's ask the proper question. Which model is it? You can see it will say I am powered by Moonshot AI Kimi K2.7 Code. Clearly, I will mention that it will just launch and everyone is testing. That's why in free trial, sometime it will show error like I am facing. I will show you each and everything in real time. Okay, you can face some error. Didn't worry about it. It will be working perfectly. Let's ask another question. Does AI replace developer? You can see it will respond now. That's why I'll mention every time I'll try to be honest with you. In our previous question, it will show some error and takes more time. It will takes nearly 1 minute. Now it will only take 11 seconds to complete it. Okay, that's it. By this way, you can easily use Kimi K model powered by Cloudflare Workers AI. Not only the Kimi K2.7, you can also use some other model as well. I have demonstrated you the two way to use Kimi K2.7. If there will be any other better way, then I will be share with you in upcoming video. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. Okay, bye bye. Happy coding.